Hello, hello. My first domino mode. It leaked like crazy. All right there, right here, even on this side. A little bit on the back. And it leaked so much, that's pretty high. That's at least a quarter of an inch. Everything looks good, but I lost one, and I think I'm gonna lose three. I think I'm gonna lose 2, 3 blank, and I definitely lost double fours. Definitely, because I could feel the bump in it. I could feel the domino. So I know I lost that one, but the blank and the 2, 3, we'll see. It's been at least 4 hours, and this is already solid. This is already solid. So, and it leaked so bad, and I used at least 6 glue sticks on this. Maybe because I did it with a cardboard, very thin cardboard, I don't know. But it's my first one, and I will update once I pop them out. Get your hands up.